Hi guys, and welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Ipsy Glam bag for May of 2023. I had to think about that because I haven't filmed in so long that I'm like, what month are we in? It just doesn't come natural to me, okay? First off, before we get started, I want to say on my eyeballs today is the Coastal palette from Alter Ego. Absolutely love. So good. And the foundation I'm wearing is from Michelo. I don't know how to pronounce it, but this foundation, you guys, so good. Like, I'm like really impressed right now. So impressed. And then I have Merit blush on and whatever. Anyways, okay, let's get into the video. So, if you guys enjoy these types of videos from me, then definitely give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much. And let's go ahead and get into the video. I'm just going to go ahead and bring out my Ipsy by boxycharm, or boxycharm by Ipsy, and my icon box. Ugh. I'll go ahead and put those behind me. Those things are heavy. And pull out my Ipsy Glam bag. So excited. Okay, so you guys know the drill. Ipsy Glam bag, 5 sample size products. Sometimes we get lucky and get a full size. Did I say sample or full? 5 sample size. Sometimes you get a full size. Yeah. Listen, I haven't filmed in such a long time. You guys already know I've been slack-a-lacking. If you guys want an update video on what's been going on in my life, things that have been going on, like my farm, my personal life, concerts, cancer, my diagnosis that I found out yesterday, just a bunch of things, let me know, and I can make a whole entire Get Ready With Me storytime video if that's something you're into, you know. But anyways, Ipsy Glam bag. Oh, I got that first rip. And the bag. I didn't do spoilers last month for the regular Ipsy. I think I did them for the icon box, but I don't think I did it for the plus or anything. I cannot remember. I'm sorry, I can't remember. So this is the bag. It's actually super cute. We really love. And ooh, this little pink thingamajig there. Okay, what is in here? We have, here's this product. Bada bing, bada boom. This is an illuminating highlighter from something beauty. It's in cursive. Jasmine Beauty, and it's oh mom. I am a mom. If you guys didn't know, I have a son. He's 8. He was born on Christmas. There's a little fun fact, and here is the highlighter. Listen, I haven't been like the biggest fan of Ipsy regular for the fact that we don't get a lot of makeup anymore. It's usually just skincare. So the fact that we're getting a highlighter in here is literally making me super excited. So here's a swatch for you guys. Let's let it focus. Boom. Pretty decent highlighter. Pretty decent. Love. Okay. Then we have here this product, which this looks like a full size. See what I mean? Sometimes you can get a full size. So here's the packaging. I'm not going to open it just because I have so many mascaras right now open. This is the Great Lengths Mascara, lengthening and thickening mascara. It's formulated with jojoba oil and castor oil, and this is from the brand, I can't read it, Botanique Beauty. Okay. And then we have this product from the Beauty Crop. This is the BFF Brow Friends Forever with castor oil and vitamin E. So this is a brow gel. Here's the packaging. I actually have this already, so let me get mine and I can show you the product. And I can give this to my niece because I'm doing her prom makeup tomorrow. So it's kind of like, you know, perfect timing to give her some stuff. See, here's mine. I have used a little bit of it. It's honestly a pretty good brow gel. Is it the best? No. But, like, it's actually pretty good. for what it is. Like, I am not upset to have another one in my subscription box to give away to my niece because she will use it and she will like it. So yeah, you guys are gonna like this product. Look at my little DIY how to apply brow products. Love that for us. So anyways, a few more products in here. We have this from Glow Recipe, which is exciting. We love Glow Recipe. This is a strawberry smooth BHA plus AHA salicylic serum. You get 5 milliliters in here. So clarifying plus retexturizing serum for your face. I wonder what it smells like. Hold on. I got to get a whiffy whiff. We love a safety seal. Oh, yeah. That smells like those freezer pops that you get for summer. It's kind of like a mixture between like maybe the red one and like the pink one. So good. That smells good. We love that. Okay. And then lastly, we have from Kors. I say Kors. I don't know. This is the Greek yogurt foaming cream cleanser, pre plus probiotics. Greek yogurt something. It's in probably Greek. I don't know. This is a foaming cream cleanser. Rub gently into wet skin and rinse off with plenty of water. This brand is actually really, really good. I've had several things from them and I have tried several things from them. And it's actually, they're really good. I had this like a wash off mask and like a moisturizer that I used, all of it, because it was like that good. Let me just, I don't think this has a scent. I did get it on my nose though. Whoops. Okay, got that. Yeah, so it's just a cleanser and it is cleansing away the highlighter. Let me just finish that off with a makeup wipe. Because, you know, we're going to film another video next. But anyways, that's everything that I got in my Ipsy bag for May of 2023. Can you believe that it's like literally May already? Like my son's about to get out of school for the summer in 2 weeks. I'm doing my niece's prom makeup tomorrow. Oh, you know what? Wouldn't it be fun if I filmed a video showing you what's in my makeup kit for doing makeup, though I'm not like a makeup artist, because like, you know, I have a rescue farm that I don't even have time to sit down and film. But I had to put a bunch of products together and I want to like build my perfect makeup kit with my collection. So I think that would probably be fun. So I think I might film that. Plus, I'm going to get back into my everyday makeup drawer. I have makeup baskets over there to organize things and make things look a little less cheap with my subscription boxes. And I'm definitely going to organize my makeup because it's like nothing's in the correct spot. It's kind of a mess. Plus, we're going to work through my lipsticks again. So, yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned. Thank you guys so much for being here and watching and for staying true to me and not leaving me and all of that jazz because I like have been so busy. I will make an update video. I will. I've decided I'll make an update video to make it up to you guys. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. Love you so much. Like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.